Nestled in the lush highlands of Ciwidey, Indonesia, Kawah Putih is a place where nature's beauty meets the surreal. This stunning crater lake, with its otherworldly turquoise waters, draws visitors from around the globe. But Kawah Putih is more than just a pretty sight. It's a window into the region's volcanic past, a place steeped in history and local legends. Kawah Putih, which means white crater in Indonesian, was formed over 2,000 years ago after the violent eruption of Mount Putih. The crater is filled with water that, due to its high sulfur content, takes on a striking blue-green hue. Interestingly, the color of the water can change with the weather from bluish-green to milky white, adding to the ethereal atmosphere of the lake. Local Sundanese folklore tells of a time when Kawah Putih was feared by the people. It was believed that the area was haunted by the spirits of their ancestors, and birds would not dare fly over the lake. The ancient Sundanese believed that this mystical place was the dwelling of powerful spirits, and they avoided it for centuries. Today, visitors come not to fear the spirits, but to bask in the tranquil beauty of this mystical place. Kawah Putih is a vivid reminder of the powerful forces that have shaped Indonesia's landscape. Although the volcano is currently inactive, the area still bears the marks of its fiery past. The sulfur-rich waters of Kawah Putih are a direct result of this ancient volcanic activity, with the lake itself being a hotbed of geothermal energy. On cooler days, you might even see steam rising from the lake's surface, a subtle yet mesmerizing hint of the Earth's dynamic inner workings beneath your feet. This ongoing geothermal activity is a reminder that while the volcano may be quiet, it is far from extinct. Visiting Kawah Putih is an experience like no other. The lake is located about 2,430 meters above sea level, making the air crisp and cool year-round. A wooden walkway allows you to get up close to the water's edge, where you can truly appreciate the lake's vibrant colors. Whether you're a nature lover, a photography enthusiast, or simply looking for a peaceful retreat, Kawah Putih offers a unique escape into nature's wonder. Kawah Putih is a place where the forces of nature have come together to create something truly extraordinary. Its beauty is captivating, its history intriguing, and its atmosphere peaceful. Whether you come for the stunning views, the cool mountain air, or the legends that have shaped this place, Kawah Putih promises an experience that will stay with you long after you've left. So, when are you planning your visit?